Hello dear students, welcome to my physics channel Physics R&T. I am Ramesh Narayan Tripathi and you are viewing my physics channel Physics R&T. Today we will solve some numerical problems related to electromagnetic induction. However, these problems have been asked in various medical and engineering entrance examinations in the form of multiple choice questions. First question is, a conducting circular loop is placed in the uniform magnetic field 0.04 Tesla with its plane perpendicular to the magnetic field. The radius of the loop starts shrinking at 2 mm per second. Find the induced EMF when the radius of the loop is 2 cm. Now solution. Back EMF may be written as Eb is equal to d phi upon dt, where phi is the magnetic flux. So, in this case, phi will be equal to A into B. A may be written as pi r square. So, it is d upon dt into pi r square into B. Pi into B are constant. So, this becomes pi b into d r square upon dt, which gives pi b into 2r dt upon dt into 2r dr upon dt. Now the values of b, r and dr upon dt are known. So Eb will be equal to 2 pi r into b dr upon dt, which is 2 pi r is 0.02 meter, b is 0.04 Tesla and dr upon dt is 2 millimeter per second, means 2 into 10 to minus 3 meter per second. So it gives 3.2 pi into 10 to minus 6 volt, which is nearly equal to 1 into 10 to minus 5 volt. Next question number 2. The question is, a square loop of side 22 centimeter is converted into circular loop in 0.4 seconds. A uniform magnetic field of 0.2 Tesla is directed towards the normal of the loop. Find EMF induced in the loop. Now solution to question 2. Here this is a square loop of each side 0.22 meter. This is suddenly converted into circle of radius r. Perpendicular magnetic field is B. Now perimeter of this square loop will be equal to the circumference. Therefore 4 into 0.22 will be equal to 2 pi r. So r will be equal to 0.44 upon pi. Now area of square loop A1 will be equal to 0.22 square and area of circular loop will be A2 is equal to pi r square. Therefore EMF E or back EMF, therefore back EMF induced will be equal to Eb is equal to d phi upon dt, which is d upon dt phi 2 minus phi 1, which is d upon dt AB 2 minus AB1 here B is same in both cases and is equal to 0.2 Tesla. B into A2 minus A1 upon time is T. This is equal to B into A2 is pi r square. R is 0.44 upon pi r square minus 0.22 square of this is 0.22 square. Sorry, area of this is 0.22 square. So it gives B is 0.2, A2 comes to be 0.0616 and A1 is equal to 0.0484 and time is 0.4. So induced EMF comes to be 6.6 into 10 to minus 3 volts. Next question number 3. The question is a magnetic field B is equal to 4t square plus 2t where t is time is applied perpendicular to the plane of circular loop of radius r and resistance capital R. If all the units are in SI, then prove that the charge that flows from t is equal to 0 second, from t is equal to 0 second to t is equal to 2 second is 20 pi r square upon capital R. Solution to question 3. Here magnetic field B is given to be 4t square plus 2t. Therefore, for t is equal to 0, B1 will be equal to 4 into 0 square plus 2 into 0 means 0 Tesla. And for t is equal to 2 second, B2 will be equal to 4 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 which is 20 Tesla. Therefore, charge flowing will be equal to Q is equal to d phi upon R, which is A B2 minus A B1 upon R, which is A B2 minus B1 upon R. A is pi r square, B2 is 20, B1 is 0 upon capital R. So the charge will be 20 pi r square, 20 pi r square upon capital R coulombs.